We've added a thoroughbred to the family. It's the famous Overland. It's got your rock sliders on there. You can't get a track back, but you can get rock sliders, which is a bit odd. Interior's average. It's got the sunroof that works. Interior's nice. The paint is nice. Wheels are legal. I just drove it for close to an hour. It has some suspension problems at the front. It doesn't have a death wobble, but they put a lift 2-inch, what was it called? Iron Man nitro gas 2-inch lift kit, but it feels unsteady, a bit like, I don't know, like something's loose, or maybe it's some kingpins or tie rod ends, I'm not sure. Drives pretty good. The engine runs reasonably good. It's got a slight oil drip, but that's to be expected. The gearbox changes well, but just steering to the left doesn't quite work as good as to the right. But I think they're all, you know, minor problems. We paid him a bit extra for a roof basket. I think he said, what did he say? Iron rock or something. So yeah, I thought it was worth it. Driving it, the HO engine for the first time, it's quick, but it is no Carabao. You know, my other Jeep, it's nowhere near that, which is what I suspected. But that's okay. That's to be understood, the amount of work I put into that engine. But definitely no slug. So I'm glad to add it to the family. Not sure what I'll do with the black one there. Still have to finish the engine. Still going through my trial. And then if the trial works, then the permanent implant. So still be months away, everything. So, well, there she is, the WJ Overland with the 4.7 HO. Welcome to the family, son. You're in the right place. You're in the right place. The owner was glad that it was going to some Jeep fans, because he owned it for 6 years. He loved it, and as you can, it's been well looked after. So yeah, he loved it, and he was happy that, I don't think he quite realizes how much of a Jeep freak it's going to. But I'll send them a link to my pages, my YouTube, and yeah, and maybe he'll see it on the internet every now and again. You can keep track of it. I didn't even realise it had a sunroof till I got home. So, okay. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel for future repairs and upgrades, etc., etc. And here we are under the bonnet. Yes. Power output, PowerTech 4.7 litre V8 high output. It's got a new aircon compressor and a new water pump. And I saw earlier, don't know if you can see it, the telltale. No, you can't, I don't think. HO markings on the head. So the reason I checked that is to make sure it hasn't had another one put in. Looks like he told me it was a new battery, so it's probably relatively new. Yeah, it looks and feels relatively new. So yeah, I think I've got it for a reasonable price. I may have to spend another 500 or so on it. The CVs, I checked them. I went to check them around the sharp corner. He said no, he's done them some 6 months ago. So yeah, all good, I think. We'll just calmly drive it around for a while. See if any horrors pop up. Hopefully not. I probably won't touch this one. My son will probably drive it most of the time. If anybody's interested, the very rare 4.4 will be for sale soon. We can only afford so many cars. So great little car, 6-speed, manual, automatic, hybrid, 1.3 litre, great little car. All the back seats fold down completely, 5-seater. Yeah, great little highway car, anything really. Real little fuel miser. And it's not slow either, so yeah, let me know. So yeah, we're keeping that WJ, this WJ, and we're keeping that WJ. The Three Stooges. And that's the bully. Okay. I must have been having too many painkillers. So yeah, it all looks, you know, for its age, 216,000. You know, what do you expect? You know, it's great value motoring, really. If something goes wrong, it's to be expected. You know, it's like, you know, I paid him full price, 2.5. You know, so which I think was reasonable. I mean, if you want to buy a good second-hand one of these engines, you're looking at $4,000, you know, anything up to $4,000. So, you know, I think it's good motoring. So yeah, all good. Yeah, just a late edition. I thought, oh wow, I showed you the car, but I didn't show you the under the engine. What I didn't notice before, that I haven't seen before, is here on the dash it says Super Plus unleaded only. So I think in America that's 92 octane, but this baby will only get 98 over here. So and does the Overland have a better stereo? Because damn, the steering is blasts, man. So yeah, leather and suede. That's suede seats. And yeah, the sunroof works. I think I told you that. So so welcome to the 3rd edition.